how to quickly edit selfies on your phone, how to edit makeup pictures professionally, how to edit skin like a pro, how to edit photos for Instagram. So this is a 30-second Lightroom tutorial on how I quickly edit my pictures. So keep watching if you're interested. This is the before and this is the after. You could see how the picture looked before and how it looks after I'm done with Lightroom. You know, it's underexposed before and it's now a little better when we're done editing. So I'm going to edit 2 pictures as you can see in this video. So I just go to my photos and I select the photo I want to edit. You could go straight to Lightroom and just select it, but right here you could just pick any photo, then click on the 3 dots on your phone and you click share to the apps that are going to appear there. You could just share it to Lightroom directly. So I'm going through the pictures that I have here on my phone and I pick this one and I'm starting with this one. I click on Lightroom and I launch Lightroom now. Then it will take me to the last picture I edited, so I just click that arrow and I select the picture I want to edit. And now that we have it here, so I click on detail and I increase the sharpness all the way to the right. So depending on how sharp you want the picture to be, you just increase or reduce. But I don't like doing too much with my pictures. I just want to keep it moderate. So you keep going back and forth with it. You click on the picture, you hold down the picture a little. And yeah, so this detail, and what I like to do is noise reduction. It really smoothens the skin once you apply a noise reduction. So look at how smooth it is compared to how it was initially. So you just keep playing with it, reducing it and increasing it. Yeah, so you can actually tap on the picture, hold it down for at least 2 seconds and you'll be able to see what the picture looks before and what it looks after you've applied this. So I work on the noise reduction and I don't do any other thing here, just basically sharpness and noise reduction. Then that detail option, I just try to increase or do something to it. Then next I go to my effects, and the effect I like using here is the vignette. So I take it back and it adds that darkness around the picture and focuses the image and makes the image itself brighter while every other thing is darker. So if you increase the highlights, it's kind of like, you know, tones down the darkness around it. And just play with everything. You could add grains, you could add the haze, you could add clarity. You hold it down, you see how it looks before and after. You release it and you see how it looks after. So that is it. And another thing I like to do is to crop. I just crop, use any of the dimensions there and I crop it out. I'm basically cropping out that part of the backdrop that didn't cover. So you hold on it and you see how it looks before and after. So I want to now go to my color and just add a little color to it. So I like playing with the vibrance. I increase the vibrance and look and see how it looks like. If it's not okay, I keep increasing. But if you go to the left, it makes the picture more gray than it is. I don't really love saturation because it makes the picture look yellow, but you could add a little if you want. So I just will add a little vibrance and that's basically all I would love to do. Again, it's your preference. What you like for your picture is what you do. So yeah, just play with that vibrance a little, and you could also tint it if you want, but the tinting to the left makes, to the right makes it a little bit, you know, pinkish, purplish, but and if you take it to the left, it makes it greenish. So I don't really want my picture to look pink. So that's, vibrance is okay, and I export it and I go back to my photos and pick the next picture, which is this, and I share it to Lightroom again and I repeat the same process, but I'll do a little changes here. So I go back here and this is the picture. I click on my auto. You could work on the lighting if you don't like it, or you click auto. So I'm okay with the auto. So I sharpen the picture using the detail option. I click on noise reduction. I already know what I'm going for, so no need to spend time testing things. I go to my effect and I try the vignette and I don't think I like it for this picture, so I'll just get away with it. And I think this is how it will be before and after. I think that's all, but I'm going to add a little color just to it. So I go to my color, vibrance, and I increase it a little to 17. And I think I like it like that. Saturation, I added a little for 3. I think it's okay. You could just reduce it if you don't like it. And I reduce the vibrance from 17 to 13. So this is how it looks before and after. Yeah. So you just export it and export to camera roll, and it's saved. So we'll go to our gallery and we'll get to see how the picture is, and you can use it for what you want. This is the picture. That's the before on the right, and this is the after. This is the after, and that's the before. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.